Today we're gonna make a bunny rabbit. Alright then, let's get started. Keep it aside. We're gonna take a triangle. First, we're gonna make the legs of the rabbit. This is the body. And I'm gonna attach the legs to it. We're gonna press this part on the side of the triangle like this. So these small triangles are the feet of the rabbit, which we are going to fix on each leg like this. So we're going to take this pipe and attach it to the triangle like this. We're going to do the same to the other one. This is one foot, and we're going to do the same to the other one. So we need to hold this pipe and press it on the triangle like this. Alright. So now we're gonna attach one pipe in the middle of the side like this. These are gonna be the hands. So let's attach the hands on this black pipe. Now we're going to take this loop and we're going to attach it on the other edge of the black pipe, which is going to be the face of the rabbit. And then let's take two red pipes, attach them here, and these are the ears of the rabbit. So we're going to attach these two small triangles to the red pipes to complete the ears of the rabbit. Alright! So our funky bunny rabbit is ready! These are the ears. This is the face. These are the hands. This is the body. And these are the legs and the feet. Yay! So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. And these are the dice. And this is a rope. is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're gonna use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. Alright, so I'm gonna choose one prop to do the magic. Alright, I pick up the magic wand. And we're gonna do the rubber wand magic. Alright, I have another magician here who's gonna show us how to do the magic trick. So the wand is stiff and firm because it's not bending. But in the magic, it's gonna appear like the wand is bending. We move the pencil using the fingers like this. As the pencil moves, you can see that it seems like it's bending, as if it was made of rubber. You see? The pencil feels like a rubber. It looks flexible. And also from here, it seems like it's moving. It's bending like a rubber. So the scientific reason for that is that when a rigid object is moved in certain motions, then it seems like an illusion to the observer that the object has lost its rigidity and it becomes flexible. You see? It is just an illusion that appears to the viewer in a particular movement like this. Look for yourself. It appears like it's made up of rubber. Alright then, we're done with the rubber wand magic! Yay! Abracadabra!